Hey there! Did you know that a funnel isn't just a sales trick? It's actually a process that guides people step by step from being curious about your business to becoming a loyal customer. Today, I'm going to break down what a funnel really is and the different types you can use to grow your business. Think of a funnel as a process. At the top, you have a wide audience, people who might not even know your business exists yet. As they move through the funnel, they learn about your offer, get value from you, and eventually take action like booking a call, making a purchase, or subscribing. A funnel isn't just one page or one email. It's a series of steps designed to guide the right people toward the right action. Now, there are different types of funnels you can use depending on your business goals. Lead generation funnels. These are all about capturing leads using a freebie or resource like an ebook or checklist. Perfect if you want to grow your email list. Sales funnels. Designed to convert leads into paying customers with a series of emails, product offers, or webinars. Webinar funnels. Use live or automated webinars to educate and nurture leads, then pitch your product or service at the end. Product launch funnels. Great for new products, building hype and guiding people toward purchase over a few days or weeks. Upsell, cross-sell funnels. Once someone buys, these funnels help you increase revenue by offering related or higher value products. Funnels are powerful because they turn your business into a predictable growth machine. You don't have to rely on random social media posts or referrals. You create a system that consistently attracts the right audience and guides them toward taking action. So, whether you're just starting out or want to scale your business, understanding your funnel and choosing the right type is the first step. If you want, I can show you exactly how to set up a funnel that works for your business. DM me funnel, and let's get started.